Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Tuesday, March 17th, 2026. I'm Max Profit, and I'll be your guide today as we dive into the financial market's various sectors and movements. Let's get started. Key indexes were all up with the S&P 500 index closing at 6,717.19, gaining 17.82 points. The Nasdaq Composite Index added 105.34 points, finishing the day at 22,479.53. Despite these gains, the indexes persist in a strong negative trend with consecutive days closing higher. Market breadth revealed advances in the S&P 500 index with 60% of stocks rising. However, over the week, losses have outpaced gains. The Nasdaq Composite Index showed 1,535 advancements today, yet the trend remains bearish across all major indexes. Despite a negative monthly trend, the Russell 2000 Index showcased resilience with a weekly total return of 1.61%. Similarly, the S&P 400 Midcap Index had a positive weekly and year-to-date return, counteracting its monthly decline. The energy sector led gains, closing at 894.2, up by 1%, and also achieved a new all-time higher close with strong upward volatility. The consumer cyclical sector followed, closing at 1,814.77, although it struggles with a strong negative trend. Healthcare experienced the most losses, down 0.92% to 1,738.74, and moving in a strong negative trend. Notably, the consumer defensive sector remained relatively flat over the week with mixed positive trends. Global markets, led by Poland and Thailand, showed notable gains of 2.8% and 2.3% respectively. Poland also broke out upwards after 3 days of sideways trading, exemplifying a mixed negative trend. Over the week, both Taiwan and Thailand ETFs stood prominent with strong positive weekly total returns of over 4%. Turkey, despite a smaller daily price growth, outperformed them over the year with a 14.5% year-to-date return. In the technology sector, Apple closed at 254.23, rising 1.41. Its trajectory signals a strong negative trend despite short-term gains. Alphabet also saw gains, up 4.99 to 309.41, breaking a sideways pattern. Similarly, Amazon closed at 215.20, climbing 3.46. Meanwhile, Meta Platforms struggled, falling 4.79 to 622.66, continuing a steep downtrend. Nvidia slipped 1.29, closing at 181.93, with its pattern indicating flat movement.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin stands at 74,642.4, a drop of 244.43, showing a mixed negative trend but experiencing some upward volatility recently. Ethereum is at 2,329.3, down 23.91, with strong upward volatility today, mirroring a broader downward movement across key cryptos. BNB is holding at 672.54, down by 7.12, also affected by mixed negative trends and upward volatility. Solana at 94.91, a decrease of 1.29, joins the similar trend. Dogecoin trades at 0.1006, losing 0.0024 amid strong volatility. Reviewing crypto returns, Bitcoin has a weekly gain of 2.49%, but a year-to-date decline of 14.69%. Ethereum shines this week with a 6.9% uptick, yet it struggles year-to-date with a 21.5% drop. BNB shows slight weakness this week, but retains an overall monthly ascent of 8.93%, despite a 22.13% downturn year to date. Solana maximized gains of 12.49% this month, yet suffers a yearly fall of 23.74%. Dogecoin rises 3.28% weekly, battling a 14.23% yearly decline.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is experiencing losses across major currencies. Against the euro, it's down at 0.8665, falling by 0.0024. Similarly, it's at 0.7489 against the British pound, a decrease of 0.0019. The Japanese yen sees the dollar at 159.3, edging lower by 0.026. Meanwhile, against the Swiss franc, the dollar is also down to 0.7850, losing 0.0014. Lastly, against the Australian dollar, the US currency stands at 1.4075, dropping significantly by 0.0074, indicating a negative trend across all pairs.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.